Gold yesterday has reached again higher price levels compared to the day before, and we can see that the price on the Monday started with this bullish candle. Then the price has started to continue to rise in value yesterday and also closed the day above at around 2524.41, and then today the price has started to move down. Now we can see that the price has been stuck in between these two price levels, which I have mentioned for several days, between 2502 and also 2514, and the price has managed to go outside of this area, this range area, but it is coming all the time back here. Each day we can see that, and the prices continue to follow that pattern also today. So what we can make a conclusion based on this. The conclusion is that this is indecision range area, which is holding the price, meaning that there is a high number of sellers on the upper side and no buyers on the lower side. But we can see the buyers are managing to push the price each day higher and higher. But also, this is also information that there is no clear bullish strength to push the price easier to the 2550.00 and next resistance level. So there are small resistance levels in between these levels up to here to 550.00 before the price reached the final, this weekly and also a monthly resistance level. Now there are also levels on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, which I'm sharing with details with the traders inside the Telegram group when the price makes a bullish breakout. So yesterday I have also mentioned when the prices managed to go above these price levels, the price was reaching around 2533 price level, which is a smaller resistance which we cannot see here. It is on the lower time frames like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Now the price did not reach clearly this area to 533, which will be the next resistance, but it has come very close. Now it has bounced back down. What we can make a conclusion for today, it is still indecision. There is high probability that the price returns back down here and also back inside this range area below 2514, which is the next smallest support level, and we can see that here 2516, which you can see yesterday candle, and we can see that here 2513.85, which is around 2514. If the price goes down, it will also mention that the price will continue to move inside this range area between these two price levels I have mentioned. But I'm still expecting to see the price higher on the higher price levels because the prices continue to rise in value. But I am patient, and also I have in mind that this is not very clear bullish momentum because of these small candles and also prices returning. We can see that on the lower side this week, which means the sellers are also strong, will not easily allow the price to reach higher price levels. So the smaller time frames like 4-hour time frame and especially 1-hour time frame shows much more clear information, the picture between these two price levels, and also what is very important in order to continue to rise in value. If you would like also to check these levels like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, you can see that here where I'm sharing the details, how this looks inside the Telegram group, where the traders can ask any questions. They also get this MT4 template with support and the resistance levels, with supply zones, and also the daily analysis at least 1 or 2 times daily, so they are informed and also answer questions if there is any. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.